Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can extract color from any image without using a software. If you have any image and you want to extract its color, now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser. We're going to do the same steps on the smartphones as well. Now here, type imagecolorpicker.com. Go to this website. You can access it from your smartphones as well. Now just simply scroll down until you find this option that says use your image, and here upload your image. For example, if I upload this one, now I can directly drag this mouse to get the exact RGB and hex value of any color that I want. For example, let's go for this one or anything, or this black one or anything. I can get the exact thing, or I can get the palette from that particular image right there also. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.